Hello! Oh ho! What is this? Crystal clear collagen eye mask. Our mask is made of plant collagen. It will gradually dissolve under body temperature and permitted into the skin. Ordinary mask ingredients, on the contrary, are usually absorbed by the cotton paper used. Ooh. So guys, I-wear ko to for 30 minutes right now. Wait lang. Ay, nako, Inday. Ay. Ha, lamig. Ooh, slimy siya. Before we start, wala akong cabinet. Wala nakalatag lang tanan. Ambot kung unsa inyong ma-comment, pero ato na lang i-share, ha? Sige, start na to. So, don't judge. So, this is my makeup area lang. Area, kasi hindi siya own room. Ito yung mga eyeshadow. Tanan ni akong ginagamit sa client and sa akong self. These are my highlighter, blushes, and contour. I have here Rivecowe, Ever Bilena, Enhance, NARS, LA Girl, Inglot, Kat Von D. These are my color correctors on dark under eyes, pimples, and kung ano pa yung kailangan i-cover yung mga blemishes. Ito naman, powders. There's loose powder, face powder. Yan. This one are my powder foundation, cushion Fusong. And then ito naman, my BB cream, CC cream, and different brands. Skinaz, Laneige, LA Girl, primers. Ito naman are my pangkilay, eyeliner gel, brow gels. These are MAC, my favorite ones. Setting spray, my favorite Urban Decay, which you can buy it sa Sephora. And this one, Evian, para fresh lagi. These are all my mascara. So, kani siyang baso. It's all eyeliner, my black and brown. This is from w2beauty.com, my favorite. Long-lasting glue talaga siya. And then, these naman are my eyebrows sa kilay. So, pang shade ng kilay, pang curl ng lashes, brows, eyebrow gel, yan sila. Then, ito yung sa mga hair clips kung para hindi mo malagyan yung hair ng makeup. Kanila kong brushes, guys. Kani ay foundation brush and concealer brushes. So, itong bilog are stipple brushes. Ito ay foundation brushes. Then, everything are MAC except the colored ones. These are from Pretty Box PH. They gave me, but for these MAC brushes, galing pa to sa nanay ko. Gift niya nung nag-school ako. 2013 pa yan, guys. Tapos, ito naman, eyeshadow brushes. Iba-ibang mascara wand. Yan. Para magtanggal yung mga buo-buo sa mascara. Pag may dikit-dikit yung mga lashes. Tapos mga eyeliner brushes like this one. Angle. Fan brush. So if you put blush, mas light. Kasi parang pinawalis mo lang ba. Tapos, kani, contour brush. Kaya siya nakaside para pag contour, puk. And then, this one naman mas define. So, pag i-contour mo, super define yung contour. Then the rest, powder and blush brush. They're all from MAC Pro. So, kani siya. Shades of plums, red, orange, and pink. Kylie Lip Kit, Love Bite, Court K, Brown Sugar, and Black. This one box are Colorette Cosmetics. Tapos yun, binigyan ako madaming lipstick. Yan guys, konti na lang yan guys kasi na-share ko na yan. Tapos, ito yung bago nila. Sobrang ganda. Favorite ko to. Yan yung shade ng liquid. Tapos, lip and cheek tint, lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Ito from Ever Bilena. Kylie pa, Colourpop. Oh, and I love this Charm Cosmetics. Lola, she gave me this butterfly liquid lipstick din. It's natural. Tapos kaning MUST, mascara, punoni. And kanitanan, yan mga makyaj, Blair, the Beauty Bomb, tong Faith Hope Love. I like that too. And Purple Fairy. Ang ganda rin ang Purple Fairy. And Enhance! Maganda rito. Hindi ko alam, pero ang dami magaganda. Kaya ako nag-skwela. Miss Denise ko and Effie ko ang nag-turo. Ay, wait lang, nangurog man ta, uy. Turo sa akin. Ang airbrush. MUD. And nagkamali pa sila sa aking middle name. John. I'm John's. MUD. Sa Fort Serendra yan, guys. Ito sa Alabang. Kanisha, guys. Ako mga panglinis. So, this is my favorite. I clean my brushes always. Because if you don't clean your brushes, may makuha kang bacteria, magka-pimples ka pa. Diba? And this is my 99% alcohol. Pag on the go ka, you have to clean your brushes din and also your makeup, yung mga eyeshadow. You have to spray 99% alcohol din. Kasi, hindi mo alam kung unsay bacteria ang pwede makuha. So, example, wala ng bacteria. Kasi na-spray mo na siya ng 99% alcohol. Love it. Okay. Brush shampoo, yung i-rinse mo talaga ng water. Kasi, example, this brush cleaner, you put a little amount there sa tissue, tapos, malinis to guys, pero ilinis na ulit. Iikot-ikot mo lang yan. If you make your brush dry, para wala mahulog na mga hair, kailangan nakaana siya. Para magtulo lang ang liquid pababa. Kasi kung ipaganyan mo, magpasok yung liquid, and then magtanggal ang hair niya. So, kailangan ipatulo mo pa ganyan. Okay? Kung brush shampoo naman, same, put the amount here, then same, iikot-ikot. Pero yun lang, you have to rinse it with water. Pag rinse mo rin ng water, on mo lang yung faucet, i-ano mo lang din pababa. Kasi, baka pumasok yung water sa loob. So, kailangan pababa din yung brush. Yung ana rin, downwards din ang pagpatulo. Then guys, ito naman, dyan yung mga shoot ko. Nilalagay, mga electronics, SD card. So, dyan sila lahat para hindi magulo. Handy dandy airbrush. Station niya. Ayan. And panglinis ng airbrush. Mga sudlanan sa ako ang makeup. If mugawas ko, para dili kalat sa sulod sa bag. Travel brush bag. Matagal na yun to. Kani rin, lalagyan ng brush para nakatayo yung brushes mo if you want. Brush belt siya. Inalagay ko yan sa waist ko, nakatali yung belt. Yan. Tapos, may extra lashes. Yan, yung Misha. Love ko yan. Hair extensions from donnalovehair.com. I made a video. Ito, everyday wigs. Yung wig na color black with blue, ombre. And this bag, with my Baby Bliss hair iron. Hot Tools Bubble One. And then my blower, the Black & Decker. May mirror naman is pinagawa ni JOEM with that table. This cookie chair is my favorite cookie chair. And makita mo may maleta dyan. Pag binubuksan mo yan, guys, yan, LED mirror. Tapos, kani akong cute na basura cam. And my extension. May ring light and may ilaw pag mag-shoot. Para kitang-kita dyan ang mga pimples, guys. Joke lang. And freckles. I want to show you my makeup chair. My mom bought this sa America. It's really cheap. Side table. So I put other products here if wala na talaga space sa shoot. And then, ano ba yan? Ba't may mga gamit? Charla. Ayan, guys. So, kani ako ang pag-giveaway na akong giingon. Galing na ako, ha? Lang. And alam ko, napansin yung aking pimple. Sabi niya, hello. Joke lang. So, ano yung gamit ko. And I know, wala pa akong cabinet. Di pa ako afford. Siyempre, imang hatag po tag-makeup nila karon. Ay, nag-ilong ka. Sorry. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video. Tag your best friend. Kasi kayo ng best friend mo ang mananalo. Bihaku. Bihaku. It's a Wonder Bleach. Broom. Thank you, Miss Apple Bunying. Order na mo sa iyaha. Anyway, salamat kayo, guys. And I hope you love this video.